I am 33 years old. I'm a 33-year-old man. So why do I pluralize the noun years in the first sentence, but not in the second sentence? It's quite simple. Year is not a noun in the second sentence. If we're talking about more than one thing, we need to use a plural noun because we're talking about things. I have been alive for 33 years. I use the plural noun years because there are 33 of them. However, when I say that I am a 33-year-old man, year is not acting as a noun. It's a part of a group of words, 33-year-old. And this group of words is working together as a compound adjective. Compound adjectives are usually connected with a hyphen or hyphens, and like other adjectives, they often come before the noun that they describe. When I say 33-year-old man, the compound adjective 33-year-old is describing the noun man. Since we don't pluralize adjectives in English, we don't pluralize a noun when it's part of a compound adjective. Here's another example. If I were to jump off of this balcony, I would fall 20 feet. It's a 20-foot drop. What's my compound adjective there? That's right, 20 foot. And what noun does it describe? Good, yeah, this is a tricky one. The noun is drop. Drop can also be used as a verb, but in this case, it's a noun. Let's try another one. This book is 197 pages long. How would you describe it using a compound adjective? Yep, it's a 197-page book. All right, let's do one more. This couch can seat 4 people. How would you describe this couch using a compound adjective? That's right, this is a 4-person couch. Now in the comments, I want you to tell me how old you are in 2 different ways. I want you to first use a plural noun and then use a compound adjective. For example, I am 33 years old. I'm a 33-year-old man.